So in this video we will be seeing QGIS installation in Windows computer. So go to this QGIS download page qgis.org and select as per your operating system and click on the download. So the download will start and it is quite big file, so it will take time. So once the download is complete, double click on the file or just open the location of the file and then right click and open it. So the installation will start. Click on next, agree the license agreement, click next, choose the folder where you want to save all of your file, then click install. So the installation process will start and soon it will be finished. Click on finish, and once the installation is over, you can open your QGIS software. So we have successfully installed QGIS 3.32 Lima. Either you can choose to open it from start menu and it will open the software, or you can just go to your desktop where it has created one folder, QGIS folder, and from there you can choose the icon, shortcut icon, and you can double click and you can open the software. Alright guys, so we have successfully installed QGIS 3.32 Lima and now we are ready to go. Now you can visit the original tutorial from where you have come here and you can learn the rest of the part. Thank you.